Okay, I lied before. There are 5 videos, not 4, because I realized I forgot something. So this is video 4 of 5. Again, I cannot emphasize enough, this is not your only study tool. This doesn't cover everything, especially these last 2 videos. There's going to be stuff on the final that I'm not talking about in these 2 videos, just so you're aware. This one is about the start of chemistry. Okay, so we have, which color marker do I want to use this time? Good question. I'm going to use this brown one. So the atom, right? We have a model, so again, a representation of what an atom looks like. So if I have protons. Protons are positive. Protons. Protons and neutrons make up the nucleus. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, okay, I have a nucleus with 5 protons. 5 protons, right? So, there are electrons around it. Electrons are negative. And remember, so in the first level, there are 2 electrons, right? But then I need to have an equal number of electrons as I do number of protons. So then there are 3 electrons in the next energy level, like so. Right? 3 electrons just like this. So you can wonder yourself, which atom is this? Well, since I know there are 5 protons, it is boron, okay? This one's boron, because if you look here, so you have B. So this number 5 above the boron, this is the atomic number, which is equal to the number of protons. Atomic number is the number of protons, just like that. Below it, you'll find the mass number, which is roughly 10. So this is, it kind of tells you the number of protons plus neutrons. Right, so this is our model of the atom. In the center, there's the nucleus, and then surrounding it are electrons in energy levels. Okay, so we also have our periodic table in general, right? This is something you should care about and get to know well, which you already do. You already know them, so I shouldn't even have to say that. You know what I'm talking about. You do. Excellent. What was I going to say about this? Okay, so we have our periodic table, and as I said before, each element, so each block is an element, right? So carbon's an element, nitrogen's an element, magnesium's an element, etc., etc. There are numbers across the top here. Each column, so like this is a column, is a group or a family. You can look up the family names in your notebook. Some of them list them here. Transition metals, right? Transition metals, noble gases, things like that. But the main point, the conceptual point that you should take away is that elements in the same group/family have similar characteristics, okay? We'll talk about that more in the next video, but this is the periodic table, right? So we can arrange this by atomic number, which is the number of protons, just to reiterate. Also, going back to how we started chemistry. So kind of abrupt here, but this is still important. We have mixtures, right? Mixtures. And if you remember, I don't know why I wrote that slanted, but that's okay. There's mixtures. There's 2 types of mixtures. There's heterogeneous, and homogeneous. So this one, so the point is the things in this mixture are different from one another, and the things in this mixture are the same. So if I have, like the example like we had on the one assessment, is liquid in here, and you have like raisins floating through or sunk to the bottom. The raisins are clearly different from the water, and they're also easily physically separable. I can just take the raisins out or something like that. So this one's heterogeneous. Where a homogeneous mixture, things are more of the same. So that's the key there. Mr. Williams, is there anything else to add in terms of introduction to chemistry?
Mixture is 2 things mixed together, or more.
Oh, you hear that? Mixture is 2 things mixed together or more.
Or more.
We'll end this video on that, and we'll see you at the next video.